The question of whether archaeology can be considered a science has accompanied the development of discipline for decades. Its intellectual history is debated between those who insist on its humanistic character and those who defend its full integration in the scientific field. If you are interested in archaeology and its evolution as a science, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Today, we will explore a recent study that evaluates archaeology in the scientific context. In a study published in the Journal of Archaeological Science, Ben Marwick offers a systematic assessment of the extent to which archaeology functions as a science. This analysis is based on classical debates about the nature of discipline. Marwick uses a framework developed by Finelli and Glanzel that distinguishes between hard and soft sciences. This framework allows to measure the degree of internal consensus and the speed with which communities accept new results. The study measures 5 key variables: the number of authors per article, the length of texts, the relative length of titles, the reluctance of bibliographic references, and the diversity of references. These metrics place archaeology in a global spectrum. According to Marwick, archaeology occupies an intermediate space between the natural and social sciences. It has characteristics of hard and soft sciences, suggesting a delicate balance in its classification. The analysis reveals trends towards more hard positions in some indicators, while others evolve in the opposite direction. This indicates that discipline does not move linearly towards a more scientific model. The second part of the study addresses reproducibility, a fundamental criterion for defining scientificity. Marwick concludes that the ability to obtain consistent results is essential for the credibility of archaeology. To assess reproducibility, Marwick reviewed articles from the Journal of Archaeological Science. Only 28% of the revised manuscripts were fully reparable, a low result compared to other disciplines. The causes of failure in reproducibility include errors in the organization and documentation of data. Marwick stresses that computational archaeology still does not meet minimum standards of reproducibility. The study proposes recommendations to improve scientificity, such as clear folder structures and detailed documentation. Reproducibility is an ethical issue and disciplinary responsibility in archaeological research. Marwick concludes that archaeology is a heterogeneous discipline whose scientific status depends on the reproducibility of its methods. The future of discipline requires a cultural shift towards transparency and the opening of the code.